Christmas songs are particularly designed to be simple, And the more and more we explore them, the more we believe it that Christmas songs are meant to actually be very simple. Perhaps because we play them every year, and when they get so familiar, they look simple. But seriously, the truth be told, Christmas songs are one of the best songs that you can use in learning to play the guitar. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing all the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous song. Straight is only C and E. And as we have heard on high, sweetly singing all the time, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous song. Now, the interesting part is the chorus. Let's go. Now, before we start playing the chorus, you will observe that there are keys in bracket. Key C and A is in bracket. D minor and G are in a bracket. C and F, they are in a bracket. Now, that is another way of reading music. It means that on one word, you know, you see, it's not a new word. It's just the dragging of the word. So it's within it's still the same word, but different keys because the same word is being dragged and different effects are produced. So we can have see, you see, in Jesse's there, in Jesse there. You see how it, all those Gloria, when you are singing and it's very sweet, when you are playing it, it combines, some emotion and it adds. So let's start. C A B M G C A G C in S Jesse Now we can play it. Angels we have found on high, sweetly singing all the time. Now let's start it from verse 1 and then enter into the chorus. Angels we have found on high, sweetly singing. So let's start from the angels we have had on high and enter the chorus together. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing, oh, the plain and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous song. Glory, in ecstasy, in excelsis in excelsis is come. Let everything a king. We're going to sing, I think, one of the most popular Christmas songs, Joy to the World, the Lord has come. So, and we are going to sing it in the key of G. And we need just G, C, and D. Oh, these Christmas songs are so easy. These Christmas songs are so easy. Now, first of all, we'll play with just the thumb, the bass. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let everything a king. Let every heart prepare him to, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let every sing a king. Let every heart prepare him through, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. He rules the world with truth and praise, and make the nations prove the glory of his righteousness, and wonders of his love, and wonders of his love, and wonders of